Hi guys! How's everybody? So, here's your minimalist mom. Ba't naman kaya lagi daw akong nabubulol sa word na yon? Minimalist. Okay. Anyway, ganyan na tumatanda. Bulol-bulol. But I hope everybody is really good today. And I'm really happy. You know why? Kasi ang dami nang nagla-like, ganyan. So, I'm really thankful for the people na, alam mo yon yung tinatangkilik yung ating page, yung ating mga ginagawa, di ba? So, I hope it's a little help for you guys. And actually, it's really a big help for me. And this time, may nag-comment pa. Ayan, gusto ko siyang i-shout out pero baka secret ang kanyang, identity. Pero sabi niya, gusto daw niya makita paano ko daw ginawa. Yung, kung maalala nyo, yung cup holder na furniture ko nung gumawa tayo ng breakfast or coffee nook. Ayan. So, ngayon, of course, because she's one of alam mo yun, yung masigasig na followers ko rin. You know what? Ganun pala ang feeling, no? Yung very happy kapag nakikita mong may followers ka, may likers, viewers, especially viewers, ganyan. So, alam kong happy rin kayo. Ayan, sa mga sinishare kong thoughts, sa mga sinishare kong ideas, just simple ideas, especially for us mommies. Ayan, maski alam ko, etong nag-comment na to, single to eh. But of course, I guess, she is in style when it comes to her yung space ba niya. Ayan. So, I'm really happy that someone would request like this. So, inaanyayahan ko rin kayo mag-request kung anong ideas meron kayo. But anyway, oh, by the way, don't mind my background. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupwesto today. So, nasa kusina lang ako, ganyan. So, nakaroba. Diba? Feeling homey tayo today. So, this time, as I was saying earlier, okay, thank you so much for hopefully in the future, more likers, viewers, ayan, comments, ayan, ang makikita ko. So, comments naman sana na maganda. Oh, by the way, I'm also happy. One of my friends actually gave me makeup. Ayan, sabi kasi, ay, parang, ang pusya-pusyaw mo. O, diba? Ang daming nagla-love sa akin. Thank you for the makeup, actually. So, trinay kong ginamit. Hindi ko alam kung maganda bang effect. Lalo ba tayong gumanda, mga mommies? Okay. So, this time, ayan, ipakita ko sa'yo. Ito si Lolo. Matandaan niyo si Lolo. Okay, so, actually, siya, ito, holder siya, okay? Holder na holder. Kitchen, ano to ulit? Tissue. Okay, kitchen tissue holder siya. Ayan, so dati. Alright? So, tanggalin natin ito kasi as I said, we had a gift from one of our friends actually who gave us yung holder din. Alright? A very simple holder na hindi ko siya maabot kasi gusto ko pakita. Usually yun yung mga holders na nakikita natin sa palengke dito sa Baguio Benguet. Ayan. So, anyway, okay, moving on ulit. This is how it looks like. Very plain siya. What are you going to do or what are the things that you need in making this into cup holder would be just simple. Alright, so of course this one, you need this and you need some, alright, ito, hook screw. Kailangan yung screw kasi tayong mga mami, hindi na natin alam mo yun, wala tayong lakas para magpupupukpuk dyan, di ba? So, ini-screw na lang. Yun ang aking secret. Pag hindi ko alam pukpukin, ini-screw na lang. Ayan, so we need some screws. It depends on you how many, alright? Kung gusto nyo lang ilagay doon, would be 3, ganyan. Ay, nag-heart shape siya. Ayan, 3 or 4, ayan, 4. Okay, anything will do, alright? And of course, we need a pencil pang-mark natin kung saan natin ilalagay. At yung mga cups natin, of course, para alam natin kung saan natin ipupwesto. Okay? So, let's start. First, let's get our holder. Okay? Tapos, titignan nyo kung saan, kasi kung anong height ng inyong cup. Ayan. So, ito, medyo mababa lang siya. Ayan. Actually, ito na yung hole eh. Pero ganito ang ginawa ko nung una. So, I put, a mark with this pencil and of course iba-iba naman kasi ang ng cups natin, so you could actually try to do this. Ayan, so i-level nyo lang para hindi siya, alam nyo yun, yung hindi niya kasi baka mabasag, hindi niya ma-touch. Ang hirap ng Inglesera Okay, hindi niya matouch itong level na to. So, kailangan nating, of course, medyo itaas ng konti. So, let's pretend, ayan, nilagyan ko na siya ng marker, ng markings, okay? With the use of the pencil. Of course, yung kitang-kita nyo naman, ha? Huwag naman dot lang, baka mamaya hindi nyo na makita. And, now, kasi yung mga holders na ganito, or any holders, tissue holder, di-screw po siya. Yan, na-i-screw siya. So, we can unscrew this. Ayan, o, diba? Ayan, nai-screw siya. May screw siya. So, tabi muna natin si Lolo. Kasi, dito tayo magbubutas. Ayan, parang, ano ba yung bird na nagbubutas sa woodpecker ba yon? Okay, so ito, kailangan natin i-screw, ganyan. Etong holder na to, ito, medyo matigas siya. May katigasan. So, katigasan ng ulo. May ulo ka ba, Char? Ayan, so, minsan ginagamitan ko siya ng tissue din. Ayan, para hindi naman mangalyo yung ating mga kamay. O, diba? So, mommies, we also need to take care our bodies. So, kailangan maging makinis pa rin tayo maski nasa bahay lang. Diba? Ayan, makinis, mabango. Okay, there you go. So, let's put all these screw hooks kasi ito yung saan natin ilalagay yung mga cups. So, there you go. Pagtsagaan nyo po akong ilagay ang ating mga screw hooks. Ayan. So, just enjoy screwing. Medyo matigas talaga siya. So, you really need some force. Ayan. To battle. Battle talaga, no? Battle with this. Ayan. Screw hooks. There you go. Okay. There you have it. So, kung lahat na ilagay na yung screw natin. Okay. Oops. Medyo dahan-dahan lang kasi nagkrak-krak siya. So, ganyan natin. Ayan. So, nailagay na lahat yung screws natin. And now, we are going to return. Ayan. Balik po natin sa original. Ayan. So, make sure hindi na siya nagwi-wiggle kasi pag nag-wiggle ito, of course, mag-click-link ang ating mga cups. Baka mabasag pa. Diba? So, it's better for you to screw it until the end. Until the end of time. Ayan. So, screw, screw, screw. Ayan. There you go. So, meron na tayong cup holder. Ganyan na itsura niya. O, diba? Ganyan pag napaka-bare. Alright? And, let's try to put some cups. Yan. O, medyo sumasayad ito. So, ilagay natin dyan. Ilagay natin ito dyan. Wait lang. Kailangan natin ipwesto, of course. Ganyan. O, ha? Ipwesto natin ganyan. Yung nakalabas ang ating mga hooks. Kasi, of course, ayan. Kailangan nakalabas siya para it's easier for you to get the cups. Ayan. Diba? Napakaganda, guys, na may cup holder tayo kasi minsan, it's really difficult for us to be getting cups, di ba? Doon sa lalagyan natin, doon sa, anong tawag na nun? Yung plate rack. Ganun ba yun? Anong tawag na nun? Yung pinaglalagyan ng mga plates, ng mga ano. So, instead of going there, at least we have these cups for us to be really convenient kung gusto natin magkape anytime, as I said, with our breakfast or coffee nook, right? So, there you go. It's really simple. Ganyan ko lang ginawa ang ating cup holder. There you go. O, diba? Kulang ako ng isa. I'm missing 1 cup. May kumuha, hindi po binalik. Ayan. So, rule dito sa bahay, pag may kinuha, may tinanggal, kailangan ibalik, ha? Ay, wala naman akong kausap. Nasaan sila? Okay, kausap ko yata sarili ko. But anyway, thanks for watching mga mommies, ang mga viewers siya. So, patuloy pa rin ho nating tangkilikin ang ating minimalist mommy. Ayan. And I hope that you're getting a lot of simple ideas when it comes to home remedies. Ayun! So, I'll see you again. Have a nice day and God bless us all.